Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I must download Douyin video in bulk. So here is my software I currently using. So first, you can see in this software we have account management. This function helps you add and manage a limited account from many platforms. So you can add the account in here. So some platform you will need account to download video or scan video. So you can add the Facebook account, Instagram account, YouTube account, or TikTok account. So next is video management. So this function you can add the video in here. So the software will manage your video in here. So you can turn on the video in.
Que gosta de empurre, toma, 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 toma. Que gosta de empurre.
Okay, to mass download Douyin video, I will go to scanning function and download. So here you can download video short from many platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Douyin, and Kuwait Show. So I will choose Douyin. So next you can scan by keyword or user. So you just enter the keyword that you want in here and choose scanning. Okay, so you can see the software is scanning the video, Douyin video with the keyword is football, and you can see this the list of video. Here you can see some information like link video, or number of comment, number of likes, number of share, duration, create time, and status. So next, to download this video, so you just need to select the video, own the video that you want, or you can select some video that you want to download. Next you can set on number of threads to download. Number of threads is mean number of video that you download in the same time. So you can save across to the ID or save across to the title. Next, you can save the video to the video management. So the software will save on this video to the video management, or you can save to the folder that you want. So you just need to enter the link of the folder that you want to save here. After that, I press start and let the software download this video that I select. So you can see it started in here. Okay, I will go to the folder and check it. Yes, so this is the video that I already downloaded from Douyin. Okay, so basically I should show you how I must download Douyin video in works. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.